Masarap siya.
Yeah.
Ano to?
Raisin Cane's.
Raisin Cane's.
Yep.
Chicken fingers lang, di ba?
Yep. Shout out to Raisin Cane's.
Masarap siya.
Should open up in Canada.
Oo nga. Hindi siya dry, hindi makapal yung breading. Juicy.
It's fresh.
Fresh. Thor, what can you say about the chicken fingers?
Ketchup.
BC. I love the ketchup though, ketchup.
The not so secret sauce.
Ketchup. Nanat. Pero mayroong isa dito na hindi patok ang chicken fingers.
Hindi
Ito,
yung Jollibee.
ayaw. Hindi kasi Jollibee. Mas gusto mo pa din ang Jollibee. Naku. Okay, let's ask them. What do they think about Raisin Cane's? So, guys, what do you think?
Really good. It's juicy. See? It's not dry. It's real chicken.
What about you, madam?
Agree.
What agree?
No, the meat is succulent. It's juicy. The batter is very thin.
Thin?
So it's the chicken that's a star. And then the sauce is just an add-on. It's just like putting a crown jewel on top of it.
Okay, that's good.
Good job.
Good.
Raisin
We
Cane's.
would recommend to come here.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Highly recommended. Authentic.
Even the fries.
The price is good
Oh yeah,
too.
the fries is good. It's fresh.
The toast. The toast is good too.
What about this video? Do you consent in taking this video?
I don't have a choice. You know, you get palo.
You don't.
You don't consent, you palo.
Kaya lang ito
Yeah,
sad. Ayaw ng chicken. Wawa naman.